we just came back from the Bond, aka downtown of Shanghai. Hey guys, so I just got my face ready and everything, and it's the next day. We're literally getting ourselves prepared to head out. Currently this is what my makeup is looking like. Like, the makeup is eating, I'm not gonna lie, it's tea. I love this makeup. It's literally so nice. Like everything, I don't know, I think it's the air. It's the air in this place. Anywho, we're gonna try to figure out what we're gonna do next after that. I'm so excited. Okay, let me actually get dressed because I'm not even dressed in the first place.
And see if the Uber is gonna come pick them up.
It's illegal, guys. Illegal. My shoes are wet. And I don't lie. Never ever do that again, guys. Don't. Alright guys, I got my hers after walking like 2 hours in the rain. I finally got some hot to eat. Which is gonna steam. Actually see how this goes. Okay guys, so right now we are here because she wanted to see 1,000 trees. Finally guys, we're here. Guys, we're here.
That's so cute.
Right here. Guys, we're on a walk out in the middle of the night, visiting everything. Look at that. Very nice, right? It's so quiet.